Hi grade 9s, my name is Jennifer Godlinson. I have been teaching mathematics for the last 10 years and I'm currently teaching maths at Springfield Convent Senior School, which is a Catholic school in Wynberg, Cape Town. I love mathematics and I love sharing my love of mathematics with my students, and so I try and make lessons fun and relaxed and a place where you feel comfortable answering and asking questions and getting as involved as you feel comfortable doing. We will be looking at graphs, which is a hugely important section because it is the beginning of functions, which makes up a bulk of your matric paper in a few years' time. So what we learn this year in grade 9, we're going to build on in grade 10, build on again in grade 11, and then you will be seeing it in your matric paper. So this is sort of that base level foundation, which is really important for us to make nice and strong and good for us to build on. The course will run over a couple of weeks and you will have quizzes involved. So there'll be a quiz midway and a quiz at the end to make sure you're understanding what's going along. There are also try-it exercises after each lesson to make sure that you are getting that homework time and understanding the work before you move on and see me in the next class. Let's have a look at what the lessons would look like when we are working together. So you'll have a question similar to something like this up on the screen. We would have already discussed a lot of stuff before getting to a point where we're working together. But for example, in this question, I'm asking you to find the gradient of this straight line. Now, we would have already discussed how we find a gradient, and so you should feel confident doing this by yourself on your side, and then you'll answer questions for me. But as we're working through this together now, we know that our gradient formula is m, which is equal to the change of y over the change of x. And so we're going to look at our y values. So we'd say 5 minus 3 over 2 minus 1, which gives us 2 over 1. And so our gradient would be 2. Now this might all seem like gobbledygook right now to you because we haven't spoken about it, but by the time we're at this point in the lesson, you would feel confident to try this on your own and give me an answer as we work through it. So I hope you sign up for this really important section that we're going to be covering, and I will see you there.